This industry, I think, relies also a lot on the B2B business.
Yeah.
We are working with affiliates, introducing brokers, people that they are educators, they have academy. This is a standard in the industry. And I think there is a big difference in being a partner with an aggressive, let's say, market maker broker and with a cleaner STP broker in the whole business model that they have as a partnership. So can you tell us a bit about how your partnership model works and how is it different? And maybe it might sound less interesting, but explain why is it important to know this difference.
Okay, so now let's talk about, I will call it what we call IB, affiliates, business partners, let's call it. That those, let's say, actors are bringing us the business, which are the final trader, right?
Yeah.
So Traders Trust is acting as a B2B2C, basically. Let's say B2B as a business, and those guys bring us the clients in order to make the, let's say, a small, let's say, overview. So for IBs, so you should know that Traders Trust, from the very beginning, we work almost only with IBs.
Yeah.
So we don't do marketing. It's not our strength. So we don't have a booth about 150,000 in all the expos and making sure we are not there. Because someone has to pay them, right? And maybe it's the client's losses, right? So, in terms of IBs, our business model is really simple. We don't want to mess around.
Yeah.
We have a model that we pay dollars per lot. Sometimes it's not good for us. Why? Because, for example, I give you examples when, let's say, you have different currencies, the value of the contract are not the same. So this makes quite differences at the end. But we want to keep it simple for the IBs. This is, and the IB, if you start to speak about spread revenue and stuff like this, but if they know it's per lot and that's it, at the end, they will not bother themselves. They see let's say I brought, 1,000 lots, is 8, 9, 10, sometimes even more for the master, for the big communities. Then it's really easy. 1,000 lot, $8 per lot, 8,000. Really simple. They have all the reporting. We have also multi-level and so on. Now, a lot of time, IBs are leaving because people are paying them $20 per lot, $25 per lot, $27. I listen everything. But me, I have some philosophy. I was saying before, if a client, let's say, lose money, the broker makes money, right? But most of the time doesn't make the full money. He's paying back something to the IB. And is where all the game comes in. If you pay, let's say, 60%, 70% to your IB, clients need to make a lot of losses. They need to make clients to lose a lot in order to make money. Otherwise, it doesn't work. Yeah. So it's really simple. If you make, let's say, $10 and you have to pay, I don't know, on this trade, you have to pay $7 to someone, it remains $3 to you only, let's say, on the business. The client has to lose much more. Otherwise, you do not even cover your fees. So we do only deals on volume-based, let's say. It happens sometimes that people approach us about the what we call it on profit sharing. Most of the time, we can make some small profit sharing, but it's related to the volume, in fact. Yeah. So instead to pay per lot, you make some assumption because we have a lot of data in this story, let's say, and we revise them.